Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to remove a background in CapCut. So let's bring this piece of media here onto our timeline, and let's say I want to remove the background. This is very easy to do in CapCut. Highlight the media, come over to the right hand side, select Cutout, and then you want to select Auto Cutout. Now, depending on the size of the clip, will depend on how long the clip takes to cut out. As you can see, that was very quick. And then you've simply cut out that part of the video. Now you can see it's not perfect as this person is far away, but if you do it on someone who's closer, it will be much better. So if you're close to the screen, it will work perfectly well. So that's how to use the cutout feature and cut out a person in CapCut. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.